So guys, I'm down here and you wouldn't believe it. I wasn't thinking I'm gonna find anything, but I got another ring. Another opal silver 925 ring. Very pretty opal. I just literally found it right down there. Yeah, if it hasn't blew me fine, but I also found these pair of sunglasses earlier. I wasn't gonna make a video, but now I am because I found this. But nice little ring. Sorry I didn't get the live dig, but yeah. Let's keep going. Never know what else I'm gonna find down there. Let's keep going. Make sure it's in the bag. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Just keep going. Hey guys, this is Alex Shields Fishing Adventures, and we're out here going on the kayak. Got the bait tank set up, we got the rods, and we're gonna get some fish. And he got his kayak over here. He's a good friend of mine. He actually sold me that kayak. So this is his setup. You got the Lowrance fish finder. Oh, this thing is Hobie. This thing's amazing. I love this kayak. I want one, but I don't drive, so yeah, it's kind of a pain for me to get down here. But let's get going and see what we can get. See you guys in a second if we catch anything. Oh no, where the bait? Turn this thing. Oh, wait a minute. Got to do something. My tube for my scupper hole.
Drop your oar down first.
This is good practice. This is good practice.
Yes, drop your oar down first.
So this goes over here.
Either side.
Either side. Right there, I see it. Right there. This is good practice right here. Okay, right there. Do not want to flip this thing.
Keep your weight centered. You got it. Get on your knees.
There we go. This is sketchy.
You got it, bro. Now open that thing up.
Okay. Here we go. Oh, wait a minute. I have to plug it into the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want me to do it or you got it?
I got it. I got it. And this, right. Okay, there.
Make sure there's no pinches.
Right.
Hey, that gets the stink off the boat.
So I just got one. Nice little sandy. Let's get this guy off and release him on the right hookup. If I get the hook out, if I get the not the coin, might use. I just get the stupid pass. There we go. There he is. Let the guy go. Keep going. On the right hookup.
I told you that has good juju. That kayak has good juju.
That was the very first cast.
Hey, that kayak has good juju.
Very first cast. Let's get it towed down. Fish on, guys. Fish on, fish on. Second one in the boat. Ah, yeah, boy, another sandy. No, another sandy. Woo! So they got a Cali. Woohoo! Not enough fish. Let the guy go.
Oh, he chomped it.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That's 2 for 2 casts, actually. So far, it's 2 to 1. Woo! Count, Patty. Fishing a little iron jig for the swimming jig now. Getting over to Garrett, he's over here calling for me. This is so cool. I love this. See you guys in a second. Full. This area is. Look at that, all those rock formations. Wow, so beautiful out here. I see there's a bunch of boats over there. I don't know if that's where we're going or not, but there's a bunch of boats straight ahead. See you guys in a second, hoping I don't die. At Calico. Nice. That's my 4th fish of the day. Nice, almost the limit. Very nice. Guys, day's over. Going in. Got 4 fish, so I'm happy with that. But wish we could stay longer, but he has to go home and that's my ride. So if we stop anymore and fish a little bit more, it's up to him. So see you guys if he catch any more fish or if I have to cut. Bye guys. And folks, we didn't die. Here we go. Yeah, we landed. Let's get out. This is gonna be a weird, interesting show.
Get out like a little old lady.
I know, right? Here we go. It's my first time ever getting out of a kayak like that. Let's go. Woo!